Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought you for a new topic which is everyone make mistake. I hope you guys are doing excellent like me. So artists also make mistake.
One of the songs that I wish we would have written.
Even politicians also make mistake.
In the beginning, in the beginning.
Football player also make mistake. Even cricketers also make mistake. And
I think I did conscious decision.
native speakers also make mistake. And what? Lavanya Dansena also make mistake. But
Children do learn.
I never ever regret myself because now I want to fluent English. So that's why I'm also fluent English, but sometimes I did make mistake. So don't afraid of make mistake because we are learning third language. This is my third language. My mother tongue is Chhattisgarhi and I know Hindi and I know Chhattisgarhi. And what about English? I know English. But sometimes what happened? Sometimes I did mistake. The reason is I'm not habitual to talk English, so that's why. Because in my surround, I'm staying Chhattisgarh, so no one want to speak English, so that's why. But I want to speak in English, so that's why I create a surround on myself. And you also want to speak English like me, so please create surround, because without surround how is it possible to learn English? Because this is the third language. I think your second language, because some people speak only Hindi and like English, but we sometimes did lot of mistake. Why we did lot of mistake? The reason is I already mentioned many times, this is our second third language, so that's why. So don't afraid of make mistake. Continue make mistake and then one day you will definitely perfect. I will give one example related to Hindi. When we will talk in Hindi, so that time we also did lot of mistake. Why? Because we are not also perfect in Hindi. Hindi means Shuddha Uchcharan. You know very well what kind of Hindi. Yeah, and another thing, like my native language is Chhattisgarhi, but I am not interested to talk Chhattisgarhi. The reason is I am whole day staying my shop, and whenever I will go my home, so that times my mother, father use Hindi language, and my surround, even my family, my friends, and whenever I talk phone call, so that times I talk only Hindi. I use Hindi. The reason is I am comfortable Hindi, but now I use Hindi. I use English, and whenever I speak, I have 2-3 online friends. Whenever we talk, so that times we talk only English. And why I want to talk English? The reason is I want to improve my spoken English, so that's why. And you also want to improve by your spoken English, so please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So whenever I will put video, so you easily get my notification, and then whenever you have free time, so you easily watch and then you learn English easily, only 3 months. So what kind of practice we do? So it's helpful for our learning. Yeah, I will provide. So stick my video till the end. Yeah, so first of all, you read and writing and then speaking. You pick normal any kind of story related to what you want to. Like you want to like simple story, any kind of story, like you are interested to like moral stories and motivational stories, and another thing like cooking related story, like sometimes girls we found cooking related, so you watch only English and you read only English book. And sometimes what happen, now we are a beginner, so it's hard to read because we are a Hindi medium student, so that's why. So you pick only simple story and every day you read only 2 pages. I'm not talking about 5, 4, 6 pages. I'm talking about only 3 pages. 2 pages, sorry. Yeah.
Conscientiously, that's okay, and the best of my ability.
So 2 pages you read, and so it's helpful for you guys. And then you already
Seriously.
read those books, and then you memorize all the stories. Now you memorize your stories. So yes, and what we will do? You write your story. You jotted down your story in a rough copy, yeah? And then you already read, and now you also wrote. And what about speaking? When it comes to speaking, so that times it's hard to speak because there is no any surround. So how to speak? Because I don't have any friends, and even my family member, they don't want to talk English. These kind of issue and these kind of making excuse yourself, and you judge yourself. And why you judge yourself? The reason is lack of practice. You are judging again and again. The reason is
From sorry about that. Delicious looking dish from.
lack of practice. So don't afraid of make mistake. You have 30 minutes, 20 minutes, even 50 minutes. So okay, you can do every day, especially morning time. You woke up 6, 7, depend on you guys, and then you put any kind of book, and then you read and write and then speak. There is no any partner, it's okay. You have a smartphone, you record yourself at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then you are habitual, so you record at least 15 minutes. So drastic change also in your side. The reason is you every day, first day it's hard, and then second also hard, and third you want to learn English. You really want to learn English, so please every day do these kind of things. So how was my video? If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर.